Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and I'm so excited to introduce a new block of the month that you can look forward to for 2025. When it gets close to the end of the year, I'm always excited about the new year and what it might include. And it will include this beautiful block of the month designed by Deb Grogan. This is called A Joyful Noel, and this might look similar to one of the designs she'd done previously with a beautiful church. The church has come back. It's spectacular. I love this. Is very European looking with these tall buildings with all the beautiful pine trees and the wreaths on the buildings. And of course, we'll get a good panning shot over this, the ice skating couple, and so much more. Deb is just an incredible artist, and we have the opportunity to bring forward this 7-month block of the month. All of that applique, and it's extensive, will be pre-fused and laser cut for you. When Deb did her original design of this, where you are seeing these beautiful laser cut snowflakes is actually hand embroidery. We know there are some people that just don't like that much hand embroidery, and so we've put some beautiful pre-fused laser cut applique shapes. This is also made out of a beautiful glitter fabric, so it just shimmers in the light. I wish you could be here on set with me to see this. So let me tell you, you don't want to miss out on this one. Limited space as always. This fabric is from a Moda collection called A Christmas Carol. You know what that means when I say Moda. There's limited fabric. So we had to guess at the available spots that people might want, and we probably underguessed this one because this one is a showstopper. You're going to be so excited to display this year over year. So as I said, 7-month block of the month program. Obviously get your spot in the program. And this is the beautiful backing fabric, also from the Christmas Carol collection. And then your other option is the thread set. That's what we use to stitch down the pre-fused and laser cut applique shapes to the background. And these are the notions on the table, with really the most important notion really being right here. As you can see, the shapes here vary from smaller trees to bigger buildings. And that's why we have the larger light box on set, as well as both sizes of applique mat. When I'm working with smaller shapes of applique and I'm bringing all the layers together in a very fun and reliable process using a layout diagram, which we'll be providing to you in your kit each month, you're able to pre-assemble these shapes and move them onto the background as completed units instead of one by one like we used to do in the old days. When I'm working on a smaller section, I like using the smaller applique mat. When I've got a big building like this or the church, I am grabbing for that larger applique mat. So they really work beautifully together in projects like this. And of course, these are the other notions on set. The other thing that will be included in your kit, so you don't have to go out and find that, is some embroidery floss and all the amazing buttons here. We'll get some panning shots around that. We have some beautiful poinsettias that we have embellished the middle with some beautiful gold colored buttons, as well as our Christmas wreaths have some red buttons. And of course, our doors need some doorknobs to be able to get into these amazing buildings, as well as the church. So if you are looking forward to creating a spectacular quilt for Christmas of 2025, look no further. This is your quilt. Head over to the website now to reserve your spot, your backing, your thread set, and any other notions you might need.